Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all. Today we'll be discussing on bending moment and shear force. Shear force of a cantilever beam subjected to point loads. Okay, here this will be the example. Here I will be taking, so this is the cantilever beam subjected to point loads. The span of beam is 0.5 meter, 0.7 meter, and this is 0.8 meter. Okay, here the forces are applied on, first one is 800 kilonewton is the force which is applied here. Next one is 500 kilonewton and another one is 300 kilonewton. These are the loads applying. Okay, so here first I will find out the shear force for a beam. Okay, here the shear force. Okay, I need to write the notations. So A, B, C and D, 4 points are there. So here first I will be finding the shear force of this beam. That is, I need to draw the shear force diagram. Okay, here shear force at a point D is equal to how much? Whatever the force is there, okay, this will be the shear force. Okay, what is the force at this point? 800 kilonewton. Okay, that too in the downward direction. So I will be taking as plus 800 kilonewton. So here the sign convention is okay. We have discussed about sign convention in the previous video. Okay, there we got if it is on right hand side, if it is downward force, in that case we will be taking it as the positive sign. Okay, now from D, okay, at D we are getting a shear force of 800 kilonewton. Now okay, we are starting from right to left. Okay, we are finding shear force from right to left, that is D, C, B, A, like that. Okay, now I will be finding shear force at C. Okay, from here to here, what are the forces acting? One is 800 kilonewton plus 500 kilonewton. Okay, together we will be getting how much? Shear force of 1300 kilonewton which is acting. Okay, now shear force at B is equal to how much? From here to here, how many forces? 800 kilonewton plus, that is I will be only writing the values, plus 500 plus 300. Together or total we will be getting how much? 1600 kilonewton. The next shear force at point A is equal to how much? From here to here, how many forces are acting? Again it is same, 800 plus 500 plus 300. Okay, total it is 1600 kilonewton. Okay, so before that B point and C point, it is just right and left of the point you can calculate. Here I will repeat once again. Okay, you need to draw the shear force and bending moment diagrams. Okay, here shear force at point D is 800. Shear force just before point C. Okay, that means here shear force just before, okay, from here to here it is how much? Shear force before C is equal to, again it is 800 kilonewton. Okay, so shear force at C is equal to how much? 800 plus 500. Okay, it is equal to 1300 kilonewton. Next, shear force before D is equal to how much? 800 plus 500. Okay, which excludes the value at B or value at B. Here I will be taking shear force before B. It is equal to 800 plus 500. Again it is 1300 kilonewton. Okay, now shear force at B is equal to how much? 800 plus 500 plus 300. It is equal to 1600 kilonewton. Now shear force before B and before A and at A will be same. So that's why shear force at A I will be taking. Okay, that is these three forces will occur shear force at point A, that is equal to 800 plus 500 plus 300 is equal to 1600 kilonewton. Okay, all are with the positive sign convention. Okay, now here I will be drawing the shear force and bending moment diagram. First I will draw the shear force diagram. Okay, at point D it is how much? 800 kilonewton is there. Okay, so it is 800. Before that point C, again we got 800. At C we are getting 1300 kilonewton. So this is 1300. Next, before B I am getting again same 1300. At B I am getting 1600 and at A I am getting 1600. If I join all the loads, okay, if I join all the lines, we will be getting the shear force diagram. Okay, here it is 800, it is 1300 and here it is 1600. Okay, in this way we will be calculating the shear force diagram of diagram of a beam subjected to cantilever beam subjected to point loads. Next one, I will be finding the bending moment. I need to draw the bending moment diagram. So here I will draw it once again. I'll draw this beam once again. There are three forces acting. Okay, it is 0.5 meter, 0.7 meter, 0.8 meter and load is 300 kilonewton, 500 kilonewton and 800 kilonewton. These are the loads acting on the section. Okay, now I need to write the points, that is A, B, C and D. Now bending moment. Okay, here I will calculate. Bending moment at point D is equal to how much? Okay, bending moment is defined as force into perpendicular distance. Okay, force at D is how much? 800. So perpendicular distance of this force to D is 0, so this will be 0. Okay, now bending moment at C is equal to how much? Force into perpendicular distance, 800 into 0.8 plus, okay, bending moment with respect to this point. Okay, if it causes a moment, okay, so here 800 into 0 will be getting 0 moment at this point D, whereas at point C 800 into this distance plus 500 into distance. Okay, 500 into distance means it is 0. Okay, so we will be getting how much? Minus, if it is a clockwise direction on the right hand side. Okay, so it will be taken as minus 640 kilonewton meter. Okay, next bending moment at B is equal to how much? 800 into how much? From here to here, what is the distance? 0.8 plus 0.7, this is 1.5 minus, all are with the minus sign. Okay, as it is anti-clockwise direction, so I will be taking it as a minus sign. Okay, now minus 800 into 1.5 minus, again it is 500 into, from C to B, 500 into 0.7 minus 300 into 0. So at B, bending moment will be getting minus 1550 kilonewton meter. Now I will be finding bending moment with respect to A, that is bending moment at A is equal to minus 800 into, total length is how much? 0.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.5, it is 2 meter minus 500 into the distance from C to A, 0.7 plus 0.5, that is 1.2, minus 300 from B to A, minus 300 into 0.5. When you calculate, bending moment at point A is equal to minus 2350 kilonewton meter. Okay, so this will be the forces or the moment which we have calculated. Now I will draw the bending moment diagram. I will draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so this is the scale. Now at point D, okay, I will be writing A, B, C, D here. Okay, this is a drawing a graph. Okay, we are here drawing a graph. At D, what is the bending moment? That is 0. So I will tick here. At C, what is the bending moment? 640. So here at B, what is the moment? Minus 1550. So this one 0, 640, 1550, last one at A minus 2350. Now if I join all these all these points, here I will be joining the points somewhere here, okay. So I need to join all the points here, okay. So this we call it as bending moment diagram. Here it is 640, here it is 1550, and here it is 2350 kilonewton meter. Okay, in this way we will be calculating the bending moment and shear force diagram for a cantilever beam subjected to point loads. Okay, thank you. Okay, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.